In Santo, in Seclania. Insectlandia.
Binigay sa kanya.
There's a lot of insect inside.
Wala pa
Spider.
Yes, it's a spider. You can see spider.
basta pag walang napunta sa akin.
Bye.
Kami ang binigay.
Bye.
Itsy bitsy spider. Look.
Dinosaur Island, ma'am, gumagalaw din mga dinosaur namin dito. Through motion sensors po. Kapag may tao yung meron po, matindi po sila gumagalaw. Gawa rin po yung mga ito special rubber foam. So sa tarantula po, belong po sila sa mga arachnids, which is parts pa rin po sila ng mga insects.
You want to take a picture with the spider? See the big spider and the big ant. You see that? Justin! It's a grasshopper. Nathan, it's a grasshopper. See that? What's that? What's this? What's that? Huh?
It's a walking stick, stick insect or the stick bug. They can lay more than 1,000 eggs. It's a lot. No, it's a lot.
It's a lot of insects. Oh, over there, oh. Yes, that's insect. What's that? What's that? Over there, oh. What's that? What's that? Huh?
Over there.
Oh, let's take a picture with the
It's
insects.
That indeed, the longhorn grasshopper.
There's a lot of insects. It's a bee. It's a bee? Bee ba yan? I know, it's a fly. It's not a bee.
Creepy bug.
Oh, it's a ladybug. It's the bee and the ladybug. It's a ladybug.
Creepy bug.
Dragonfly.
You want to touch it?
Insect. You don't like it?
Mama. Oh.
How much is that?
No.
No.
Pet it. Pet it like this.
Mama.
No.
Millipede dyan. Millipede. Nandiyan po yung mga
Superworm.
superworm. So sila yun nasa baba. Nagtatago. They're hiding. And this one is the venomous. Ay shit, manapin na to.
What's that?
A scorpion.
Ah, scorpion.
There's another one there. Here. Look. See?
You see the scorpion, Nathan?
This one po sa venomous, ma'am.
No.
So,
Crap. That.
ito po yung mga hindi na pwedeng hawakan. Kasi nga po sa venomous.
May
po
venom.
talaga sila. So, may possible po na ma-sting tayo sa poison.
Wow.
Gusto po namin sila hawakan.
Hindi pwede. Nakakamatay. Oh, look, Nathan, no, it's a bee. Big bee. You wanna take a picture with the big bee?
Take the pictures or you're tired?
You're tired na?
You're tired na? Yes or no?
Are you
You're
tired? Tired na ikaw, baby?
Tired na siya din siya.
Ooh. So, let's go. We're finished. Come here na. Are you happy, Nathan?
Tired.
Tired?
Justin is tired.
Justin is tired na. Look.
Afraid? These are the holy mantis.
Ooh.
Yung tenga naman po nila nasa abdomen ko. Or nasa chin.
Mm.
Tenga po. At the same time, yung ulo nila, kaya po nila paikutin ng 180 degrees. 180.
At
Snail po, not
snail.
totally insect. Although family pa rin po sila or relatives sila ng mga insects. Kasi nga po sila po yung mga one legs na mollusk po tawagin po natin ang mga molluscan.
Mhm.
So sila po talaga belong sila sa terrestrial pulmonate gastropod mollusk. So yun na po, tulad ko sabi ko rin, family pa rin po sila ng arachnids, insects, and the mollusk.
Ma, open it.
Later, baby, later.
Later na.
Big mosquito. Oh, mosquito. Mm. Oh, how about the other one?
A centipede.
Centipede.
Mama.
Sila po
Yes.
ma'am is bawal sila sa mga mainit na area. Kasi nga po, pag nasa initan po sila, kusa pong mabawasan, matutuyo ang mga paa nila at mapupunta mabawasan.
Mm.
And those are caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
When they grow up, they will become a beautiful butterfly.
Butterfly. Locust. Locust. Yes. See that?
So ayan lang, we're near to the show again. Careful. Stop
Careful,
running.
Nathan.
Walk on mo lang. Walk on. Okay?
Botanical garden. Ants.
Ants and scorpion.
And scorpion.
While waiting ma'am, pwede muna po kayo makaupo ma'am, no?
Oo. So now we're waiting for the another show, for the insects show. Over there.
Yummy.
I bet they're all tired now. So hot. So hot, but fresh air.
Ma,
Yes.
why? Why?
Yes. Yes. Are you happy? Kuya? Are you happy? Are you happy? Nag-enjoy ikaw, baby? Did you enjoy? Ethan, did you enjoy? Yes or no? Did you enjoy? Hmm.
The trash can.
Oh yes, put it in the trash can. Very good, Kuya. Yes. You see the bubbles, baby? We were finished. We're
Are you
done.
happy?
Are you happy, Nathan? Huh? Are you happy? Ba't hindi ka sumasagot?
Para kami nga yung happy ni ma'am.
Sila happy, ma'am. Kasi yung nag-survey niya sa akin daw.
Uy!
Give it to him, baby. Give it to him. Dali.
Okay, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Meron na kami sa cellphone. Okay na yung isa. Okay, give it to Kuya, baby. Give it to Kuya. Give that to Kuya. Give that to Kuya. Dali. Give that to Kuya. Thank you.
Thank you po ma'am. Nasaan na?
Yeah, we're going home now because the kids is so tired.
Bye-bye, Nathan. Give me
Bye. High five to Kuya. Dali. High five. Yay.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.
How about you?
Oh.
Here.
Yay.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Race.
Yeah, that's our way. Are you tired, kids? Thank you. We will take a grab back to home.